All right, if you're getting the 3 flashing red lights on your Polaroid Snap camera, basically what the 3 red lights means is that the battery is drained and it needs to be recharged. If this is the first time you've ever used your camera, it's being charged with a mini USB cord that looks like this, and you probably have several laying around your home, and you could use any cord. This one particular one goes with a Samsung Galaxy phone, so these are very easy to get, and the only thing you have to do is plug it in on the side here. As you can see, right here is the mini USB port, and it's going to make a little noise when we plug it in. Right now I got mine connected to the desktop, but you can of course connect it to a laptop. And so when I plug it in, it's going to look like this, where it's, instead of flashing, it's just going in a direction. That means when it goes from one to the other, that means it's now charging. Now, for whatever reason, if you've whatever reason it keeps blinking and it's not charging, or you've put it on a cord for an hour and it still has the same issue, it could be something wrong with your USB cord. Try to get a different one, get another one, and then try again. Try on a different USB port. So right now I got mine connected to my desktop. Try a different USB port on your desktop, or try on a laptop, or better yet, actually try on a wall outlet. So connect this to a wall outlet. You actually get more of a powerful charge. Connect it to the wall, and then tell me if that will charge your Snap. Now, what it's doing is there is a battery, an internal battery inside here. It's rechargeable, okay? And there's 3 screws that's holding. There's one here, there's one here, and actually I think that's it. There's 2 screws that's holding this in. So once we unscrew those, you can lift it up. It'll expose a little battery that's about this size, and that's something that you can get on eBay that they sell, and you can replace it. So basically what I'm getting to is that if you've tried every other cord and it's still getting the same 3 errors, the internal battery inside is not working any longer. It's completely gone through its whole lifespan. So that needs to be replaced. Replace that part, and they should have a part number on that battery. Go on eBay, look it up, replace it, and that should fix your issue. All right, thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe.